container until it's empty. And then you look through this. And you need an adult to help you. You stand it up like this. Try to not make it fall. And you need to stand it up, and then you need an adult to put it on fire, and then it will evaporate and lift up. On fire, then it rises down, then it goes up in the air
And flies
and then it flies, and then it lands
somewhere. Oh, yes.
Yes! Yes!
It's melting. It's pretty sticky when you catch it.
So why does it fly?
Because the cold air is lighter, so it takes it down. The hot air rises it because it evaporates.
Okay.
The reason why it flies because the cold air makes it go down, and the hot air makes it rise. So that